Crochet from Sweet Softies here. I got this awesome kit from CrochetPark and it's going to show you how to crochet this lovely little bag. I picked out this beige color with brown handles and it even has a little scarf to go along with it. You can see the different variations on their site. I'm going to go ahead and do an unboxing and show you what the kit includes and how easy it is to get started. And when you finish, you're going to have a cute little bag like this. I just love the adorable design, and it's such a sweet thing to make for yourself or as a gift for someone else. I think handmade gifts are the absolute best, and just look at this lovely little bag. And it includes all the crochet notions and accessories you need, and the hardware, like this cool little opening here. You can probably tell that I adore this creation. But aside from that, the kit itself is so easy to work up. It has written and video tutorial, and I love that it's just a nice relaxing time and you get to make something that's really functional and useful for daily life. Let's go ahead and open up the kit. The yarn for this project is t-shirt type yarn. It's really soft and has a stretchy feel to it. Here are the rings for the bag handles. Of course, includes all the crochet notions and the hardware that you need to complete this bag. You've also got written instructions and a link to the video tutorial. Here is a preview of the crochet experience. You start off with the handle part of the bag, and I'm grabbing the ring, wrapping the yarn around it, and starting with a single crochet. This is my first time working with t-shirt yarn actually, and I really love how it works out. It's very smooth, it's soft, silky, and stretchy. I think the stretchy factor is my favorite part. The yarn feels really squishy. With the first handle complete, I'm going to start on the second handle now. Now I'm picking up the main color for the bag and joining it with the second handle, making a long chain over to join with the first handle I crocheted. And now for this section, the actual crocheting of the bag, I recommend watching the video tutorial for it because I was a little bit confused by the terminology. The beginning said to chain, but it's actually slip stitches to my knowledge, so I was able to clear that up from watching the video. And one other thing to note is that these stitches for the bag's body are made in back loops only, and again that was something I found out after watching the video. So here are the written instructions, but do check your work with the video, which will be very helpful for completing this project. And as you work along on this bag's body, you'll notice the beautiful ribbing and texture that shows up. You can finish it up with either the scarf or no scarf. And I personally think it's such a cute little addition. Really dresses up the bag to this project because I was able to learn some new crochet techniques while I worked along. Look at this lovely texture and ribbing. Definitely recommend. Be sure to check out the link in the description box below. Happy crocheting!